Welcome to Yirara TV.
Hi and welcome back. My name is Dale Baker.
And James Whitby with another Yirara TV, where we share with you some of the things we learn every week. The Science and Engineering Challenge is a nationwide STEM outreach program presented by the University of Newcastle in partnership with communities, Rotary clubs, schools, universities and sponsors.
So just remember to be respectful, represent Yirara in a good way, and if you need anything, come and see one of the four of us, okay?
We are able to experience many aspects of science and engineering, inspiring us to consider a future career in science.
With our varied school from around Alice Springs, we enjoyed learning many new things with them.
It's really good to be here today. I was here in Alice last year for the Science and Engineering Challenge then, and I'm back here again this year, and it's really good. And I'm excited to see the sort of results that you can come up with today. I'm from Defence Force Recruiting along with Aaron, who'll be on the bridge today, and we're here to sponsor a Science and Engineering Challenge because we want more STEM. We want more Australians to study science, technology, engineering and maths because it's really, really important for the future, for your future, and also for the future of the country.
Okay. So there's lots of bits and pieces. My suggestion to you is just grab a handful of each one
And make a sturdy Mars rover. Using networks to link areas together in the best way possible.
You're doing too much north, I think.
Learned how to manage making enough electricity for a town, city and factories.
So maybe you want to bring on, you gotta get these four houses fully powered. So you turn that on. Alright. Essentially saying it's a business that doesn't have a lot of
Made up a code to pass information using light.
We made bridges out of basswood.
Okay, back here at half past guys.
I realize something. Like that. Just to make it think. It's 11.
Android. Alright. 35 months.
Make a robot hand out of straws.
I'm not filming your face.
Do we just put this in the
In our quick look segments this week.
Today we went to town to get our ingredient for boil-ups. We chopped up the meat and veggies to put in the bowl for 3 hours. We look forward to eating lunch today and cooking brownies for lunch.
Girls Academy held their marvelous morning tea. In mechanics, we now have a new car to fix up.
Yeah, hello, as you can see, I'm just changing the tire, putting the tire back in. Me and Eric, we took the two tires out and checked the disc brake, and it's all good. And now we're putting the tire back on.
We're taking the seat off.
We checked the brake, and check everything for right, and yeah, and finish that, and we put everything back.
Hello, my name is David Noble. We're cooking fried rice, got chicken, bacon, an egg, rice, and vegetable.
I'm cooking fried rice, chicken, and lettuce and whatever. And some vegetables.
Playing music and working on writing some songs.
Learning the different ways to braid hair.
In electives today, I learned how to do freestyle braiding.
Hello, my name is Shanika and I'm straightening Rosina hair.
Another guitar is moving closer to being finished.
Visit Mishai and JJ showing out at RZ.
And Javin had the privilege to. Why, man? Oh, he's a weird looking carrot. As you can see, just behind us is a veggie patch, and this morning, me and JJ had the privilege to harvest some of our carrots. As you can see, not so good looking, but it's better when you're cooking, man. Tastes lovely.
I caught up with Jake working on his certificate, one stable hands with audio.
Enjoyed a great message about forgiveness with our Year 7 and 8 teacher, Mr. Eli.
They jacked me all the way up until my feet were off the ground. I was hanging by my undies from this engine crane, feet off the ground, and I was flailing around, undies up over my head. It's a really important lesson that my dad taught me. And so next time you're really angry at someone because they've done something wrong to you, maybe they were teasing you, make sure you tell someone, tell your teacher, tell your boarding parents. But then next time that happens, I want you to remember the time that Mr. Eli had his undies up over his head and go, oh, that's right. I need to forgive them. I need to let it go because God loves me enough to let it go as well.
Our encoder vessel spent some time showing some of us how to play steel tongue drum.
On Friday afternoon, our whole school enjoyed some relaxing time together at our local telegraph station, playing games, exploring the past, and digging water holes.
Clontarf fellas played indoor volleyball before breakfast with St. Philip's College this week. The roster is for 6 weeks and we played with CSC Girls Academy and CSC Clontarf Academy.
And this week we started our maths literacy program called MathLig. Thanks for joining us. We look forward to showing you our NAIDOC celebrations next week. Stay safe, stay strong, keep deadly.
Bye.
Cat, yo.